The Renaissance, a period of vibrant reawakening in art, literature, and science, marked a transition from the Middle Ages to modernity. It spanned from the 14th to the 17th century, with its heart in Italy before spreading across Europe. This era ignited human curiosity, creativity, and the pursuit of knowledge, significantly influenced by the rediscovery of Greek and Roman philosophies and advancements in technology and exploration. Art flourished spectacularly during the Renaissance, with masters like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael pushing the boundaries of creativity and skill. Their works, characterized by realism, emotional depth, and a revival of classical themes, remain unparalleled. Literature also saw a tremendous evolution, with writers such as Dante, Petrarch, and later Shakespeare, enriching their languages and exploring human experiences in profound ways. Science and intellectual inquiry were no less impacted, as figures like Galileo and Copernicus challenged prevailing views, laying the groundwork for modern science. This period also saw the invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg, a revolution that made books more accessible, spreading knowledge and ideas further than ever before. The Renaissance also marked significant changes in society and politics, with the rise of powerful city-states in Italy, such as Florence and Venice. Humanism, a key movement of the era, emphasized human potential and achievement, contributing to a shift from a strictly religious worldview to one that placed greater value on the individual. In essence, the Renaissance was a remarkable confluence of artistic, intellectual, and cultural innovation that shaped the course of European history, paving the way for the modern era. It was a time when humanity looked back to the wisdom of the ancients to make new leaps forward, profoundly influencing every aspect of Western culture.